we're opening day number 13, and it's a really big one. Maybe it's one of those giant, like, a big paper sheets.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe it's one of those, like, strips with the words on it.
Cover part sheets?
Yeah, cover
Yeah,
part
they're
sheets.
that size, aren't they? A4 size?
I think it's one of those.
Let's have a look. Okay, got it. She's opening it. What is in here? No, it is not a cut apart sheet. What is it? Do you know what that is? That's vellum sheets. They're actually called album inserts. Why are we giving everybody album inserts? It's the second album thing we've given people. Let's find out what's in tomorrow's. I really like these. These are really thick vellum and they are super fun. Thank you guys for watching what was in our big day number 13 envelope. We'll be back tomorrow with day number 14. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.